Yes, hi there and welcome to NoticeWare Reporter episode 9 of our how-to videos. In this one I am actually going to show you how to create a template of your very own. Now I'm going to create this template from scratch. A lot of people might find it easier to take an existing template and make changes to it, but if you decided you wanted to build your very own template from scratch, this is how you would go about doing it. So we're going to go to File, New Template, and it's going to ask me what I would like to call my template, and I'm going to call it My Template. And we'll save it. So there we go. Now we have My Template. Now obviously there's nothing underneath here. If I right click, I can tell it I would like to add a section. So I can add an overview section which contains subsections, or I can add a page. So I'm just going to add a page first, and this is where we might put information like our scope and limitations for our report, or just information that's going to print at the beginning of the report. That could be an invoice page, that could be pretty much anything that you want. So now we're going to go back again and we're going to add another section. This time we'll add an overview section which contains subsections, and this section we're going to call let's say we're going to call it Garage, and this is going to be a template specifically for inspecting garages. So we can write in our header information here, which would be your disclaimers perhaps, or limitations, and we just type into this edit box to do that. And you can also add a footer down below if you'd like. I'm not going to do that at this time because it's pretty self-explanatory. If you wanted to have a picture on this, you could add a picture to it. I'm just going to select a random picture here, a brick wall, just because. So now we've added that new section. Now the thing we need to do is add a subsection underneath it. So a subsection actually contains your inspection items. So as you can see, we have a plus sign here, and our new subsection has been added. We can name that subsection by typing in, we're going to call this the garage roof, for example. So now we have a subsection called roof, and we're going to add a new item, and we're going to add the item covering, so the roof covering. Now, and click on OK. Now as you can see, if I click on covering, and I haven't added any quick comments, so right now it's going to automatically bring me to custom comments because there are no quick comments to choose from. If we want to add a quick comment, we simply highlight the item and say edit it, and this is where we add our quick comments down below. So we click on the plus sign and we want to say what condition it is. So let's say we're going to say it's fair condition. When we type a label, it will automatically fill in down below unless we put something in there ourselves. So we say there's a fair, and now we can say that it is it's in good condition. We can say that it's in satisfactory condition, perhaps with no spelling mistakes. As you can see, this is creating our quick comments down below. If you want more information on the types of quick comments that you can create for in your template, watch our video on that. That will be episode 13, will be our episode on quick comments. So you can watch that to see exactly a little bit more on how powerful these quick comments can be. So now that we've done that, you can see that we have our quick comments showing, and you can add custom comments much like you would. And our subsections, we're going to rename that garage because that's what we said we were going to do. And there we go. So now we have our garage section with our subsection for the roof, and we've added an item to it. And you would simply continue along like that. If you wanted to duplicate this section, and you can right click on it and duplicate it, and now we have two roof sections. So it's very easy to create one with all of your custom comments and then copy it over, because you can see that the custom comments have moved. You could even, if you wanted to, duplicate the garage section. So now we have a garage section, both of them with roof underneath. You can see it's very easy and very quick to build your own custom template. Don't forget to watch our next how-to video, which will be on changing and editing a template, which if you're doing a very large template and it's similar to the ones we already supply, that could be a better route for you to take, and that will be video number 10. And don't forget to visit NoticeWareReporter.com to find out more, or to purchase your license key. Remember, NoticeWare gets you noticed. Thanks for watching.